Space heating and hot water in UK homes accounts for more than 20% of the UK's total carbon emissions. Our homes are predominantly heated by natural gas boilers, a carbon-intensive fossil fuel. Moving away from gas is essential for us to reduce our carbon emissions and reach net zero, creating a healthier and happier planet. Something aiming to solve this problem is a heat pump. But what are heat pumps and do they really work? I'm heading to Ian's house to find out more. This is a heat pump. A heat pump uses technology similar to a refrigerator, but it's more like a fridge working in reverse. In the same way that a fridge moves heat energy from inside the fridge into the room, an air source heat pump moves heat energy from the outside air into the building. But we're in Wales. Isn't it too cold for that? Well, actually, air source heat pumps are able to extract cooler air because heat energy is available when the temperature is above absolute zero, or minus 273 degrees Celsius. In fact, heat pumps are super popular in some of Europe's coldest countries like Norway, Sweden and Finland, and so there's no problem with our Welsh weather.
Unlike gas boilers powered by fossil fuels, heat pumps run on electricity. The heat energy delivered to your home is much more than the electrical energy used to power the system. Because the heat pumps transfer heat rather than generating it, they are one of the most efficient ways of heating, and therefore can be much cheaper to run than other common heating systems like gas-powered boilers. Heat pumps come in a range of types and sizes, can be tailored to your home, and can also be used in new and existing buildings, and have been used in people's homes for decades.
Although heat pumps require electricity, the transition to heat pumps from gas boilers won't happen overnight, and it will take time to upgrade all buildings across the UK. The electricity grid therefore has time to transform the infrastructure where required to accommodate the rising heat pumps. Moreover, as a result of more energy efficient homes and devices, electricity demand has been declining, freeing up more space on the grid for electrification. So now you know. Heat pumps provide an efficient alternative to fossil fuel powered heating that can be cheaper and cleaner for the planet. Newport City Council are working to upgrade our energy infrastructure to heat pumps across as many of our buildings as possible, but they're also appropriate for businesses and residential homes. If you'd like to know more and find out about opportunities to upgrade to a heat pump, visit newport.gov.uk/climate change.